On the farm. Hello, my name is Dee Dee. Welcome to my Happy Little Farm YouTube channel. Down on my happy little farm, I love to hear the sounds my roosters, geese, turkeys, and especially Gilly the goat, Emma the horse and Toby the donkey make. My happy listening day starts early in the morning. Some of the sounds I hear come from the animals that live on my happy little farm. And sometimes, I can hear the sounds of animals that live on other farms. Are you ready to hear the animal sounds I hear on my happy little farm? Okay, listen closely. I'm going to ask you a question at the end. Don't forget to put on your listening ears. Okay? Rooster. Hen. Duck. Turkey. Goose. Frog. Horse. Pig. Donkey. Cow. Dog. Now that you have heard the sounds of the animals I hear each day on my happy little farm, I have a question for you. Which farm animal makes this sound? Did you say the rooster? Yes. You are correct. Good job. Thank you for watching my Happy Little Farm YouTube channel. To learn more fun facts about life on my happy little farm, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.